531 Capital Flora train. Making the final stop here at Oakland, Jet London Square, Oakland. Here it comes. Arriving on track number 1. 2108. It's the Seaman Charger leading this one off. The David Jones Charger. Once again, Amtrak. 531 just now arriving, making the final stop here. 2108 leads off. Cat car for this set is 8311, I think, Mount Palomar. All right. Bye-bye. All right, folks, this is Amtrak. You good. This is Amtrak out of service 531 train departing 8311 Mount Palomar, the Bryson Cat car alongside with David Jones Seaman Charger in the back 2108. The Bryson and David Jones set on this one. This train will be returning back on 536 later on today. Alright folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. 8311 got a good horn. Listen to the sound of 8311 Mount Palomar. I see why Bryson loved this cat car. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Have a good Friday. Sushi Friday, $5 at Safeway. Bye-bye.